Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone picking up background noise, keyboard, and mouse sounds. So for the first method, what you want to do is go to your search bar and type in sound settings, then click to open it. Once you're in, scroll down until you see a more sound settings. So it's under advanced, tap on more sound settings. So a separate window will pop up and from there, go to the recording tab. Now find your microphone in the list. Once you see it, double click it to open its properties. When that window opens, head over to the Levels tab. You'll see two main sliders in here. So you should see microphone and microphone boost. So here's how these work. The microphone slider controls the sensitivity. So if your mic is picking up too much background noise like fans, keyboards, again, like fans, keyboard sounds, or people talking, you'll want to lower this a bit. For example, you can try setting it somewhere around 30 to 40 as a starting point. Then you have microphone boost, which basically amplifies your voice. If your voice sounds too quiet after lowering the sensitivity, you can increase this slightly to compensate. So the key here is balance. You don't want your mic too sensitive, but you also don't want your voice too low. So take a minute to test different combinations until it sounds clean. Also, quick tip, after adjusting, try recording a short sample or use a voice recorder app to hear the difference. That way, you're not just guessing. And once you're happy with the settings, click on OK and you're good to go. Now, for the second method, this one involves improving your physical setup. So you can use a pop filter if you're using a headset microphone. It's really simple. You just attach the pop filter directly onto the mic. If you're using a desk microphone, you'll usually mount the pop filter on a small arm or a stand and position it right in front of the mic. So what this does is reduce harsh popping sounds, especially when you say words with P or B. It also helps soften airflow hitting the mic, which can reduce unwanted noise. Another small upgrade you can try is adjusting your mic position. So instead of speaking directly into it, try placing it slightly off to the side and a few inches away from your mouth. So this helps reduce breathing noise. So yeah, start with adjusting your sound settings, then level up with a pop filter and better positioning. Combine all of these and your mic quality should sound way cleaner. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.